Bodies found of two believed to be swept away in vehicle during Tropical Storm Rafael. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The bodies of a man and a woman were found on Thursday afternoon after the vehicle in which they were traveling was washed away by flood waters in the Wellsville area 2 days earlier. The deceased have so far been identified as 58-year-old Junior Gooden and Teresa Green. It is reported that during the passage of Tropical Storm Rafael on Tuesday, the vehicle in which the two were traveling got into difficulties while being driven in rising waters in the Wellsville area. A video has since gone viral of the motor vehicle being swept away.
Watch out! Ah, that big earring. Look there.
The search for the two ended in tragedy on Thursday morning when the vehicle was spotted in an area of the Wellsville. The bodies were subsequently retrieved inside the vehicle with the assistance of a wrecker from the nearby Worthy Park estate. The police are probing the overall development. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.